Now we have more examples of limit exercises. Example number 1. The limit of x raised to negative 1 minus 5 over x minus 1 over 5 as x approaches 1 over 5. By direct substitution, we have substituting the value of 1 over 5 for x raised to negative 1 minus 5 over 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5. 1 over 5 raised to negative 1 can be written as the reciprocal of 1 over 5. And the reciprocal of 1 over 5 is 5. So 5 minus 5 over. Obviously, we have here 1 over 5 minus 1 over 5, 0 denominator. Simplifying further, we have 5 minus 5. Again, that is 0. So, that gives us an indeterminate form, which is a 0 over 0. Now, we will try to rewrite this limit function so that it gives us a valid result. Now, rewriting this, we have x raised to negative 1 can be written as 1 over x minus 5 over x minus 1 over 5 as x approaches 1 over 5. Now, simplifying further, we have 1 minus x times 5 minus 5x over x times 5, and that is 5x minus 1 over 5 as x approaches 1 over 5. Now, we have here a complex fraction. So what we'll try to do is simplify. Continuing, we have 1 minus 5x over x. This is the numerator, and we multiply this by the reciprocal of the denominator. And the reciprocal of 5x minus 1 over 5 is 5 over 5x minus 1. Again, as x approaches 1 over 5. Now, here we can see that we can actually cancel these two terms, provided that we multiply one of them by the negative 1. So, we multiply the numerator by negative 1. Negative 5x times negative 1, that will give us a positive 5x. Positive 1 times negative 1, that will give us a minus 1. Again, that is times 5. Over x. As x approaches 1 over 5. Continuing, now, we can now cancel 5x minus 1. So we have a negative of 5 over x as x approaches 1 over 5. Rewriting this limit function, we have the negative of the limit of 5 over x as x approaches 1 over 5. Now, by direct substitution, we have negative 1 times 5 over 1 over 5 So that will give us a negative of. So we multiply 5 by the reciprocal of 1 over 5. And that is 5 times 5. That will give us a negative 25. For example number 2, we have the limit of 1 over 3 plus 1 over x over x plus 3 as x approaches negative 3. By direct substitution, we get 1 over 3. Substituting negative 3 for x, we get a minus of 1 over 3. Then, at the denominator, we have a negative 3 plus 3. Simplifying, we get a 0 over 0. Again, this is an indeterminate form. So, again, we are going to rewrite this whole limit function so that it gives us a valid result. Rewriting, we have by cross multiplication x plus 3 times 1, 3 over 3x over x plus 3. Again, as x approaches negative 3. Simplifying further, we have, now, we multiply this numerator by the reciprocal of the denominator. So we have x plus 3 over 3x times 1 over x plus 3 as x approaches negative 3. Here we can see that we can already cancel x plus 3. Right? So we are left with the limit of 1 over 3x as x approaches negative 3. Now we go to direct substitution. 1 over 3 times, substituting negative 3 for x, we have a negative of 1 over 9. And this is the answer for this limit exercise.